A persistent cough can be not only irritating but also a cause for concern if it lasts for an extended period. While acute coughs often resolve on their own, chronic coughs may require targeted remedies to address the underlying causes. In this video, we will talk about 10 effective remedies for long-term cough relief, offering a range of solutions from lifestyle changes to natural remedies. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a crucial role in respiratory health. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain optimal moisture levels in the respiratory passages, preventing irritation and facilitating the expulsion of mucus. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider incorporating herbal teas or broths for added relief. Honey and warm water. Honey has been a trusted remedy for its natural antibacterial and soothing properties. Mixing a teaspoon of honey with warm water or herbal tea not only creates a comforting beverage but also provides relief from throat irritation. Consume this mixture regularly to experience its healing effects. Gargle with salt water. Saltwater gargles remain a time-tested remedy for throat irritation and cough. The saline solution helps break down mucus and soothes the throat. Gargle with a mixture of warm water and a teaspoon of salt several times a day, especially before bedtime, to alleviate cough symptoms. Use a humidifier. Dry air can exacerbate cough symptoms, particularly during the winter months. Incorporating a humidifier into your bedroom can add moisture to the air, preventing throat dryness and providing relief from persistent coughs, especially during sleep. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam is an effective way to loosen mucus and soothe irritated airways. Boil water. Place your face over the steam, and cover your head with a towel to create a makeshift steam tent. Adding a few drops of eucalyptus oil can enhance the respiratory benefits. Thyme tea. Thyme, with its natural antimicrobial properties, is a valuable herb for respiratory health. Brew thyme tea by steeping fresh or dried thyme leaves in hot water. Regular consumption can aid in fighting respiratory infections and easing persistent cough symptoms. Elevate your head during sleep. Elevating the head of your bed can minimize postnasal drip and reduce nighttime coughing. Use extra pillows or consider investing in an adjustable bed to keep your upper body elevated while sleeping, promoting better breathing and restful sleep. Avoid irritants. Identifying and steering clear of environmental irritants is essential for managing chronic coughs. Common irritants include cigarette smoke, strong odors, and air pollutants. Creating a cleaner, allergen-free environment can significantly improve chronic cough symptoms and overall respiratory health. Licorice root tea. Licorice root, known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, can be beneficial in alleviating cough symptoms. Prepare licorice root tea by steeping the dried root in hot water. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using licorice root, particularly for individuals with specific medical conditions. Seek medical advice. If your cough persists for an extended period, seeking professional medical advice is paramount. Chronic coughs may be symptomatic of underlying conditions such as asthma, allergies, or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Identifying and addressing the root cause is essential for long-term relief and overall respiratory well-being. These remedies offer a holistic approach to long-term cough relief. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. By incorporating these remedies into your daily routine alongside lifestyle changes, you can contribute to the effective management of chronic cough symptoms, fostering better respiratory health.
If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.